Hey guys, I'm very excited to share this recipe with you because it's super easy. I'm using all prepped ingredients. You know I love that. It's a stir fry, comfy, cozy stir fry casserole. And the weather's getting a little colder and brisk and I love it. Being a Jersey girl, autumn is my favorite. And here we are. So check this out. Stir fry casserole, I'm using prepped ground beef stir fry that I already have in my fridge. I've shown you guys this recipe before. I'm also going to use, of course, my prepped brown rice. You can use any grain you want for this, you guys. I always have prepped brown rice in my fridge because it's so versatile. I use it all the time for myself, my husband, my kids. I just love it. You can literally use any grain you want. Check out how easy this is. Just get an oven-safe dish, whichever one you guys like. I'm gonna do a layer of the brown rice along the bottom. And because I cook my brown rice with broth, it gets like a little thicker, so it makes like a nice cushion on the bottom. But however you guys cook your grains, just layer it on the bottom. I'm gonna do a thin layer. Sorry, you hear my kids upstairs. They're very excited to eat this. And then on top of this, I'm just gonna lay my ground beef. This particular recipe, I already have a bunch of vegetables in here and some Mediterranean flavors. So this is the ground beef that I have prepped. This works great with taco meat. It works great with my ginger stir fry that I've showed you guys before. Oh my gosh, this is so delicious. I'm gonna save a little bit to add into an omelet tomorrow morning. So just do a layer of that. Look at how pretty that is. Isn't that beautiful? So to this, I'm gonna add a little bit of just plain pureed tomato sauce to this. Another thing you can do, which I do a lot, just add it straight onto the rice in between your grain and ground beef. But this is also nice too to do it on top because then we're gonna sprinkle cheese on it. It's delicious. Just a little bit, not too much. Pretty pop of color. And now we're gonna top it with some crumbled feta cheese. Yummy. If you're doing this with taco meat, top it with like some grated cheddar cheese. Oh, this is gonna be so good. So cozy. This is such a great autumn and winter recipe. Okay, let me wash my hands. Woo. Okay, great. So now I'm just gonna pop this in my oven, 350 degrees, just so it's warmed through, because everything's already cooked, right? The rice and the beef. Just so it's warmed through and the cheese is melty and goldeny on top. Yum. Okay, 20 minutes. It's been about 20 minutes. Let's take our stir fry casserole out of the oven. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, so if you wanted feta, because feta melts, differently than other cheeses, but if you wanted, you can just turn your broiler on and make it super golden brown. But this is perfect. My kids will love this. Look at how beautiful that is. Wow. And you saw how quickly it was assembled and then just popped right into the oven. Oh, so good. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful, you guys. So look at this. You have the beautiful grain on the bottom, ground beef, that tomato sauce with the cheese. Isn't that beautiful? Thank you guys for hanging out with me. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you know when I put up a new video. I'll see you guys soon.